Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. SIDRA airdrop listing date, SIDRA airdrop latest updates concerning the face recognition. A lot of users are having problem with their face recognition. So in this video, I will break down what is happening and why it is happening and what you should expect going forward. So watch to the end to avoid confusion and unnecessary panic. So over the past few days, some SIDRA users have experienced problems with face recognition not working properly. This issue includes face scan not completing or your verification failed when you are trying to swap your coin to SDA, or you are having delay in your identity. Whichever problem that you encounter in SIDRA, the SIDRA team has come out to update the community that they are aware of what is happening and they are working towards rectifying the issue. So if you find yourself having this difficulty, do not panic. They are already working on it. So let's go to their S account and check their latest updates concerning that. So here, 3 days ago, on their S account, this is what the SIDRA team or the SIDRA bank has to say concerning the face recognition. And they said, face recognition update. We are aware that some users are experiencing issues with face recognition. Currently, there is no dedicated feedback window, but we are working to improve the system for better reliability. Thank you for your patience. So if you have encountered such, maybe you wanted to swap and they said face verification failed, they are aware of the problem and they are saying they will rectify it. Just calm down, chill, and they are going to do something about it. So 4 hours ago, they also made an update from SIDRA advisor, and this is what they said. SIDRA is gearing up to launch a major development in the upcoming year 2026. Get ready. So 2026, they are going to launch a major development. What is this major development? Are they still developing the system, or they want to add another features to the app? Or is it the new development, major development according to them, the SIDRA listing? We don't know yet. But what is your thought? What do you think this major development could be? Now, going to the comment section, someone said here, the development work finished in 3030. Imagine. Gonna be ready to swap to USDT. I hope so. Someone say we are ready. We will not see price until 2027. Why not? Major development, so they don't have intention to list it. Holy cow. So what do you think this is their major development could be? Share me your thoughts. Now going back to our SIDRA app, if you have not done your KYC, you can reach out to me. I will help you to verify your account without you moving an inch from your home. You can verify your SIDRA account at the comfort of your zone. Just reach out to me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp link will be in the video description to message me. As we are waiting for them to update, to improve in their face recognition, make sure that your server is stable enough and you have a camera quality that for you to claim your SIDRA. Make sure you are in a lighting condition. Make sure that you are not using AI model. Make sure that you are not using automation. And know it again that when many users are accessing the system overloads, the system will be overloaded, leading to the fair recognition. So I encourage you now that the SIDRA team are working on the improvement of the face recognition. You need to be patient. Repeated attempts may worsen the issue. If you try it today and it don't work, just give it time. Ensure you have a good lighting when scanning your face. Clean your phone camera lens. Avoid VPNs during verification. Do not use VPN on SIDRA. Use a suitable internet connection. try again later instead of forcing it. So once you do all these things and it is not working, be patient. They are working behind the scene to make sure that everything is working perfectly. So if you found this update helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this information with other SIDRA users to reduce panic and misinformation. Drop your experience in the comment section and I will update you as soon as there is any official announcement. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.